In my previous video, I spoke about a patch that can be used to strengthen a rotator cuff repair. Unfortunately, it doesn't look half as nice as this. This is actually what it looks like in real life. Rather bland and boring. And I also promised that I'll show you how the surgery is done, so have a look. So I push the augment into place on top of the tendon. Make sure it's nice and flat and neat. And then I retrieve the sutures which have been passed through the rotator cuff and the augment and further secure it to a suture anchor secured in the bone. Cut the sutures now. And then I sit back to admire the work. Nice and pretty. And there you have it. The surgery is complete. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. I'm Dr. Bryan Tan. I'll see you in my next video.